Hello! In front of me I've got TCL 20L. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, open Settings and tap on Display. Right here we've got many options. We can adjust our status bar, put our notifications in one folder, show network speed, and show battery percentage. Next, we can select in which applications we have our notch hidden or visible. We can set brightness level, turn on dark mode, and schedule time for it. We can set eye comfort mode, select color temperature from less warm to more warm. We can set refresh rate and adaptive brightness. We can also turn on or turn off auto rotate screen and set sleep timer from 15 seconds to never. We can also change font size and screensaver. We can set ambient display and turn on rise to wake. That's all functions of our display. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.